Fine. So let me share. I have already shared my screen. It must be visible to everyone.
It's visible, sir.
Yes. So how much we have done till the last class? Have you done with substring DFAs?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Substring DFAs. Are we done in this class? Substring DFAs. Starting with AB, ending with B, starting with AB, ending with B. Number of characters should be even.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Except substring DFAs. Are we done with the substring DFAs where AB has to be a substring? You can't see it on the
No, sir.
PPT. We have not done with this, right?
Yeah, sir.
No,
Fine. So
sir.
in today's class, first we will go for the substring DFAs and then we will be moving on to the further topics. Okay. So first of all, you have to start it very fast. Try to be as quick as possible. In today's class, we are going to cover plenty of topics today. Okay. So DFA, design a DFA which accepts all those strings which contains AB as a substring, which contains AB as a substring. So do everybody understands the meaning of substring? Do everybody understands the meaning of substring? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Don't waste time.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So try to make this. Try to do this one. Take 2 minutes. Take sharp 2 minutes. Today I'm not going to give you more time. 10:14 it is. You are allowed to do this till 10. Sorry, 11:14 it is. You are allowed to do this till 11:16. I'm putting myself on mute. Give your best attempt and try to complete this. Right. Meanwhile, if you want to ask questions, you are free to ask. Hassan has done. What about others? Very good, Hassan. What about others? Make it quick. Be fast. 11:16 you are supposed to finish. It is already 11:16. Kushant is doing good. Everybody try this. Fine. So let me tell you how to do this. The people who have done, it's very good. The people who are doing, they can stop their work. The people who are not comfortable with it, they should also stop their work. Your focus, your eyes should be on board and your ears should be to me. Okay, now check it. Substring AB, what should be the smallest string? Whose substring is AB? The smallest string should be AB itself, right? The smallest string is supposed to be AB itself. So just check it out. If we have AB, then first we have to map AB. Then we will think about anything else. And how to map AB? So everybody knows from Q0, if there is an A, I will reject it temporary. Therefore, I'll reach to Q1. Then if there is a B, I will accept it permanently, and then I will reach to Q2. So that's how to accept AB. Now before AB you can have anything, and after AB also you can have anything. All right. So from the very first, like from Q0, if B is coming, then should I accept or reject?
Reject, sir.
Reject. It should be rejected, right? Now temporary or permanent?
Temporary, sir.
Temporary rejection is there. Now what else to have so that I can accept it?
AB.
AB. And which state is generating AB to me? What is the state which is generating AB?
Q1.
Q1 is generating B. Q0 is generating AB. I told you yesterday also, or the day before, like whatever the last class day was, that when I'm saying generating, it means what? You have to measure that from which state if I'll start moving, I'll go to Q2. Okay, so AB is being generated by Q0. So Q0, you are supposed to drop it on Q0 for B. Is that clear to everyone, or anybody is having any kind of doubt?
Yes, sir, clear.
Fine. Now I am on Q1. So if I'm standing on Q1, what I already have achieved in my string?
We have B, sir. We need A.
We already have A. If I am standing on Q1, I am already having A.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now accept or reject? Come on, tell me, accept or reject?
Accept, sir.
Not like this, sorry. Now after this, suppose if one more A is coming, obviously we are tracking path for what? Path for A, right? B is already there. So if one more A is coming, then what we will do? This whole string accepted or rejected?
Rejected, sir.
Rejected.
Rejected.
Temporary or
Rejected,
permanent?
sir, rejected.
Temporary or permanent?
Temporary, sir.
Temporary. So what else I can bring into the string so that I can accept it?
Dead state for Q1 with A.
Listen to my question first. I have asked you what else I may bring to the string so that this whole string will be accepted. I am supposed to end on AB. I already have A at the end. So what else to bring? One B is enough.
B, sir.
B, sir.
If I'll get one B, then definitely I will be accepting it. And out of these these three states, which state? Now listen my question again very carefully. Which state is generating B?
Q1.
Q1.
Q0.
Again somebody is saying Q0. I seriously don't understand. Who said Q0? Who said Q0? Speak your name.
So it was me.
Rohan, tell me dear, why you think it is Q0?
Now, but you prior said that Q0 is generating A and B both now.
Yes, and right now are we looking for A and B both?
Okay, I got it now.
We are looking only for B. What my question was, that's why I said keep your eyes on board and keep your ears on my voice. Ask your dog to not to bark right now. Now the simple thing is, right now we are not expecting AB. We are looking for only B, and that only B is generated by Q1. So what I'm supposed to write here, Q1, right? So I am supposed to come on Q1 if I get one A from this place. All right. Now I have to complete the path for Q2. So when I am on Q2, that means what I already have in my string. Will somebody tell me this?
AB.
A and B.
Now after this AB, suppose if I get one more A with me. After this AB, if I get one more A with me, so will I accept it or reject it? Come on, be
Accept it.
fast. Will I accept it or reject it?
Accepted, sir.
My God, still people are saying accepted. ABA should be accepted. Is it ending on AB? Is this a string? What is written in front of you? Is it ending on AB? Tell me.
No, sir, but you
The
say the substring of AB, no? You didn't say the ending of AB.
Perfect. Very good. That's what I was checking. That whether you people are observing this thing properly or not. So that's right. This should be accepted. And this acceptance should be temporary or permanent.
It already contains AB, so it's temporary. Sorry, it's permanent.
Yes, acceptance should be permanent because I was just willing to have AB and I already have got AB. Now, whatever else is coming, I am ready to accept everything. That's why this acceptance is permanent. So I am supposed to draw a dead state here. Is everybody clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, is there anybody in the class
Yes,
who
sir.
is still having any kind of doubt? You can ask me.
Sir, can you repeat last step?
Yeah, sure. The simple thing is, see, once AB has come, if I am on Q2, that means what? AB has already come. Now you wanted to have AB as a substring. If AB has already come, then definitely it has already been the substring of the given string. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So whatever else is coming after this AB, are you ready to accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
I'm ready to accept. In whatever else pattern is coming after this, I'm ready to accept. So therefore the acceptance of this AB is permanent.
Permanent.
Yes or no? And permanent acceptance is shown by which type of state? Accept hai to how we will go for
Permanent
acceptance
accept
is, since it is accepted, therefore I will go for final state, and since it is permanent, so I will make this final state as dead
Accept.
state. That's what I did. This was already a final state, so I'm simply supposed to make it as a dead state. This I can do in the very first step also. When I was mapping AB, then also you can think of it like this, that AB has already come. Now I am supposed to accept it permanently. Therefore, at that spot itself, you can keep it as a dead state. No issues in doing that also. Is that clear now, Kushant?
Yes, sir.
Anything else you want to ask?
No, sir.
Anybody else who is having doubts with this?
No, sir.
Very good.
No, sir.
Very good, very good. So now we are supposed to do some complementation questions. Have I told you about the complement?
I think no, sir.
Even length or length. Fine. Now, understand one more thing. There are few more types of DFAs what you can make. Listen this. Design a DFA which accepts all those strings which does not start with AB over sigma is equal to A comma B. Similarly, we can also have it for ending. For example, we have to design a DFA which accepts all those strings which does not ends with AB, which does not ends with AB. Next, what else you can have? Design a DFA which accepts all those. Why I'm making these lines? Because which accepts all those strings. This is common. Okay, that's why it is representing. Which does not have BAB as a substring. Again, DFA, design a DFA which accepts all those strings which does not contain string length as a multiple of 4. 4, 3, 5, whatever you want you can chase. Okay, so like this, these are not questions. Okay, whatever we have done until now, before them they were the assertive questions, but like this also questions can come. Okay, so what is the trick to make it? I'm telling you, I'm directly telling you the trick how to make it. Can somebody find out? Like, in fact, let us try this one. I want everybody to try this one, the fourth one. Everybody please try the fourth one. Can you make it? Check once. Check yourself.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
putting myself, yes, sure. Everybody please try to make it. I'm putting myself on mute, leaving you with the question for 2 minutes. Within these 2 minutes, I'm expecting everyone's answer. Okay, come on. Meanwhile, if you want, you can ask me doubts. Anybody who have done with this? Hassan has done. Kushant has done. What about others? What about others?
Yes, sir.
Good. Vaha has done. What about others? Everybody please make sure to attempt with full energy. Vivek has done, Hassan has done, Kushant has done, Vaha Khadur has done. Who else? It should not take this much time. Ibrahim has done. Good, very good. Others? Ibrahim Inusa has done. Fine. So let's discuss its solution. So let me tell you a trick for making this. Okay, what is the trick? For all negative questions, negative is like, this is called, either you say negative negation questions or complement questions, whatever you want you can say. These are complements, they are also called as negations. Okay, now how to do them? Suppose if you are being given with not a multiple of 4 or not divisible by 4, okay, then how to solve it? Just make it assertively, like make it for divisible by 4. So if I want to make it divisible by 4, nobody should face any problem in doing this, because we have done it by the last class only. So q1, then we have q2, then we have q3, and at last we will come back to this one. So this is divisible by 4. Is there anybody who is not able to be clear with this divisible by 4? Is there anybody in the class? If everybody is comfortable with this, then say me a yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Now what you have to do, if you want to go for not divisible by 4 or not a multiple of 4, just one simple change is required. Make all non-final states now to be final states, and make all final states now to be non-final states, and that's it. It will be done. When I say these two changes, sometimes people get confused with what about the initial state. They start thinking that what about the initial state. Then please understand this thing. Am I declaring any change about the initial state? Answer is no. Okay, it is a no. Since Kushant is asking why it should be divisible by 4, just because it is my wish, dear. मेरा मन है इसके लिए. If you want it, you can carry it for divisible by 5, divisible by 6, 10, whatever you want. Divisible by 2, 3. Take your number and make your DFA. It's just for the example, divisible by 4. So I'm not declaring any change for this initial state. So there is no change in initial state is required. All you have to change is final states and non-final states. Okay, remember this. So you have done it for this one. Now what you have to do, just this was final, so now make it non-final. Okay, now this one was non-final, so now make it final. This one was non-final, so now make it final. This one was non-final, so now make it final. And from here just get A comma B. All transitions will remain same. The only difference is final and non-final will be changed. So this becomes not a multiple of 4. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
The one who is saying no sir, ask your doubts.
Sir, you say do not change in the initial J and you change in Q0.
Your voice is not properly audible to me. Speak once again.
Hello, sir. Now it's clear.
Now it's clear. Tell me.
Sir, you say initial state को change नहीं करना है. तो आपने फिर भी Q0 को फाइनल से नॉन फाइनल किया.
हाँ.
तो फिर आपने ये भी कहा कि साथ साथ इनिशियल स्टेज पे चेंज नहीं करना है.
हाँ, तो अब मेरे सवाल का जवाब दो. क्या मैंने इनिशियल स्टेट को चेंज किया?
Q0 को हाँ.
कैसे? क्या मैंने इनिशियल कोई ऐसी स्टेट है जो पहले इनिशियल थी और अब इनिशियल से हटा दिया मैंने? Like, everybody please notice one thing. Since he is asking his doubt in his preferred language, so I'm answering him. So if there is somebody who is not able to understand, then don't worry and don't mind. As I always say, that whenever you will be asking your doubt in your preferred language, I will be definitely giving you answer in your preferred language, right? So let him understand in Hindi as if now. If you have any other doubt to ask in English, definitely you are most welcome. All right, let me answer his doubt. So हाँ खुशान बोलो, क्या कोई ऐसी स्टेट है जो पहले इनिशियल थी और अब मैंने इनिशियल नहीं रखी है उसको?
नहीं सर।
नहीं है। क्या कोई ऐसी स्टेट है जो पहले इनिशियल नहीं थी और अब मैंने इनिशियल कर दी है?
नहीं।
नहीं। तो इनिशियल स्टेट में कहाँ चेंज हुआ मुझे बताओ।
ओके सर, नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड।
गॉट द पॉइंट? ये
यस
बात
सर।
अलग है कि पर्टिकुलर इस डीएफए के अंदर जो इनिशियल स्टेट थी वही फाइनल स्टेट थी, तो उसके इनिशियल होने के स्टेटस में मैंने कोई बदलाव नहीं किया, मैंने केवल उसके फाइनल होने के स्टेटस में चेंजेस किए। आर यू क्लियर फॉर दिस?
यस सर।
फाइन। एनी मोर डाउट्स कुशांत?
नो सर।
Fine. Put yourself on mute. Anybody else from apart from Kushant? Is there anybody else who want to ask me any doubt with respect to this solution? Is there anyone?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Hassan. Ask your doubt.
I said no, sir. There
Okay.
is no doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. Moving ahead. So now, can you people for this one? Like, doesn't end. Can you people make it for does not start with AB? With the same trick you have to make it, right? You already know how to make start with AB. What you have to do, you just simply have to put that DFA and just make all non-final to be final, all final to be non-final. Fine. Now in next 5 to 8 minutes, I'm expect. In fact, yeah, fine. It's next 5 to 8 minutes. I'm expecting everyone to do all these questions what I have written for these negation questions, right? So for next 5 minutes, I'm putting myself on mute, leaving you with this list of questions, right? And meanwhile, if anybody wants to ask me any question, you are free to ask. I'm there available, okay? But attempt these questions very sincerely, because we have already done with them. The only thing you have to change is final and non-final. No change in initial state is required. 11:40, 22 seconds right now. I will take you back on 11:45, 30 seconds. Time starts now. Start doing them. You are free to ask questions in meanwhile. If anybody completes all the questions, put done sir in the chat box. Anybody who has done with this? Anybody who has done with this? Reply me fast. Done with first. Kushant, Hassan, Noman. Okay, fine. Let's do one thing. Stop working now. Everybody please stop working and listen to me carefully. Kushant has done only with the first question. No sir doing. Hassan, anybody who has done, that's fine. Do one thing. We have enough time within this lecture, so no issues. You can try doing them. Fine, carry on. Take some more time and do these questions, but make sure to give a sincere attempt. Okay, try to do them. Everybody keep working, keep working on this, keep doing this. Now anybody who have done with all of them? Good, very good. Hassan has done with all of them. Who else? Ibrahim has done with all of them. Good. Wonderful. Who else? Yes, sir, done. Kushant also done. I want to see some more answers. I just want to ask, is there anyone who is finding some problems in doing this? Is there anybody who is getting some problems in doing these questions? Because today is the last day when you ask me problems about these DFA questions. From the next class onwards, we will start working on new concepts. NFA to DFA conversion, minimization of DFA, some Mile-Nerod theorem. So many theorems will be there. So if there's anybody who want to ask me a doubt with respect to this, then you are supposed to ask it today. Fine, take your time to do these questions, right? So from my side, everybody please stop working. Everybody in the class, stop working. Take your time, take this whole day and work on this particular day, okay? And get all these questions done. Please, nobody leave the class, because until now attendance is not completed. If you will be leaving class, I'll not be able to mark your attendance. Today I'm going to mark your attendance within the class itself, okay? So don't leave the class, stay here. Fine. So let's move on to this. Do take your time, okay? And do these questions at home. Please make sure to do them with full confidence. Even while doing at home, if you find any problem, then in the next class you can ask me that problem. All right, now it's time for attendance. From today itself I will start taking attendance in the class itself, okay? So let's complete the attendance first. Today is 29, right? 29 or 30?
29, sir.
29, sir.
29.
29 it is. Fine. First I'm asking it for TD1. Now in TD1, I'll say the roll number and name, and you have to tell me your attendance. All right? 14 roll number
Present, sir.
Kushal. 9 roll number Mansi.
Present, sir.
29 roll number Ayush. Roll number 4 Vivek Kumar.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Roll number 10 Deep Ambani.
एब्सेंट है
ये प्रेजेंट है कि एब्सेंट है?
एब्सेंट है
sir.
दीप अंबानी
अभी कौन बोल रहा है बीच में? बोलो कौन बोल रहा है? फाइन. दीपक कुमार रोल नंबर 80. TD1 I am talking about. Roll number 11 Utsav.
Present, sir.
32. 11 is present or absent?
Yes, sir. Present. IT 11. Utsav.
32 Rohan. Rohan is present or absent?
Yes, sir.
Roll number 5 Vasu. Roll number 1 Shyam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये दो यस सर क्यों आए हैं भाई?
मैं ही था सर, 2 बार बोला.
अच्छा. ध्रुविल 02 roll number.
Present, sir. Present.
13 roll number Jeet. Roll number 19 Ghazi Abbas.
Yes, sir.
06 roll number Tejas.
Present, sir.
02 roll number Ria. 03 roll number Hasti.
Present, sir.
14 roll number Jay.
Yes, sir.
Again this 01 roll number Hardik
Yes, sir.
Chavla.
Yes, sir.
07 roll number Manan. 04 roll number Bansi.
Yes, sir.
15 roll number Pratik.
Yes, sir.
2 roll number Sanjay.
Present, sir.
8 roll number Yatin.
Yes, sir.
Again this 8 roll number Nancy. 16 roll number Dhrutik. 3 roll number Manav Nanda.
प्रेजेंट
9 roll number Kushant.
यस सर
Fine. So that's all for the attendance.
So can we leave the meeting?
No, not till now. Until I don't say, don't leave. Fine. Now TD1 people can leave the meeting. Yes, now I'm gonna mark it for TD2.
Sure.
Yes, I'll speak the roll number and name together, and you are supposed to mark your attendance. Okay. Yes, from TD2, there is roll number 12, Sabes Soti.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Yeah. 23 roll number, Mohammad Osama. 33 roll number, Dhara.
Yes, sir.
44 roll number, Angam.
Yes, sir.
53 roll number, Ibrahim. 59 roll number, Yusuf. 59 roll number Yusuf. 17 roll number Lina. Lina Omran Hassan, 17 roll number. 24 roll number Mohammad Hashim. Mohammad Hashim, present or absent. 36 roll number Maya Hassan. Roll number 36 Maya Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Dear, why you are taking so much time to say a yes, sir? Can you please tell me the reason?
Sir, first I wrote because I can't talk because there's
Why you can't
people
talk?
in my room. Because there's people in my room now, sir.
People in your room, and such people in front of them you can't talk.
No, sir, it's not like that. I took time to go outside.
Oh my God! Again, I'm asking this 24. Is it some problem with this 24 also? Mohammad Hasim. 47 roll number Ali Kamel. 47 roll number. 54 roll number Ahmad Nidal.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 60 Ali Hussein Lolo.
Present, sir.
Roll number 18 Hassan Nauman.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 25 Ibrahim Inusa.
Present, sir.
Roll number 38 Chinyadi. Roll number 38 Nweke, present or absent. 48 Hussein Narvaras. Present or absent. 55
Present,
Ahmad
sir.
Ali. 61 Isa Taisar.
55. is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 55 I have marked. 20
52,
Elias.
sir.
It's 20 Elias. Present or absent. 26
Yes, sir.
Agihad. 39 Yarob Ghassan Al Muhammad, present or absent. Haider Ali, 49 roll number. Haider Ali, 49. Are you present, Haider?
Yes, sir.
Why you are not speaking then?
Actually, I speak, sir. Maybe network issue. Sorry for replying.
$56
Yes, sir.
Ali Zulfikar. 63 Mohammad Yasir. 21
Yes, sir.
Hala Wahel Mahmood.
Yes, sir.
28 okay 28
Yes,
Ibrahim
sir. Present.
Ibrahim Sharif Omran.
Present, sir.
Okay. 40 whose last name is Ibrahim. Aliyat Rami Ibrahim. 40 51
Yes, sir, present.
Okay. 57 Ibrahim Firas Asad. Ibrahim Firas Asad, 57. 64 Ahmad Akram Hassan. 64 Ahmad Akram Hassan. 22. Tawfiq Ahmad Tushar. Somebody was saying now 22 I have roll number. 22. Is he present or not? Tawfiq Ahmad Tushar.
Present, sir. Present.
Why you are not? Why you are not speaking, Tawfiq? Dear, please
Sir,
don't.
maybe network issues. I was speaking.
Okay, fine. 31 roll number Hiba Asif. 31 roll number Hiba. 41 roll number Haider Ahmad. Haidara Ahmad. 52 roll number Adam Nasir.
52.
Fine. Then 58 roll number Anas Basam. 58 roll number. Fine. Is there anybody else who is still remaining? I'm just showing you my screen. Everybody please check whether you have marked your attendance or not.
4047.
Check if you are red, then let me know. If you are red and present, then let me know. Which one?
Ali Kamil.
Anybody? Fine.
So, hello.
Yes. Yes.
So I have two doubts. Mainly, firstly about that IBM bootcamp.
Wait.
The
Wait.
link
Wait.
which you
Wait. Let me finish with the attendance first. Nobody else want to mark the attendance? Everybody have done with this? Perfect. Yes, dear. Now tell me what doubts you have.
Yes, the first thing, the link which you have shared at the Telegram group about that IBM course or bootcamp, it
I
says
haven't
that
shared
Marwari Telegram group
on
that
Telegram.
about the bootcamp thing.
I have shared that link.
Yes, you have shared that link.
Wait. Can you please tell me the date when I have shared?
Just a second.
Because as I can see, the last message was on 25.
It's admin. I can't see the link.
I don't think so that I might have shared anything with respect to
No,
this.
it's from Rachit sir.
Yes, that's what the point. It's from Rachit.
So
I have not shared. Yes.
yeah, but who can I approach for it?
To Rachit only.
Okay. Also, the second one was I want to avail my Coursera. Coursera bought that Marwari University basic plan. It says that no more enrollments left for in my Coursera.
Get the screenshot of whatever the error is coming and
Yes.
write that problem in words and mark me in
Okay.
mail.
Okay, done.
Okay, mark me in mail setu.maheshwari, then further Marwadi University domain, which you already know.
Okay.
All right. Anybody else wants to ask anything?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much to everyone for attending this class. I hope you must have liked this class. Okay, and everybody, please remember one more thing. Remember that from the next class onwards, whatever the topics we are going to cover, they will be on a very fast track. It's not like I will be driving them fast, but the nature of this subject is like this only. Or you can say that my teaching style is like that only. First, I create the base of the subject. So until I'm creating that base, I do take a lot of time. I give a lot of time. In fact, it's not like I take a lot of time. I give a lot of time to students to learn. So for example, let us say if you have missed those complete 10 classes, what I've given you in the last 10 days, 10 or 11 classes it has been, right? So even by including all those 10 classes, what you have missed is, although you have missed 40 questions almost, but you have missed hardly one topic, that is designing DFA. But now onwards, what will happen, in every class we will be covering one topic. So if you will miss one class, then you will be missing one whole topic. If you'll be missing 10 classes, you will be missing 10 topics, and 10 topics you can understand. It makes such a big worth in terms of marks, right? So everybody, please make sure to not to miss classes anymore. Be here physically and mentally as well. Fine. See you in the next class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you,
Nice
sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
You too. You too. Enjoy well.